Hi, I'm Tim Ritchie, CEO of Integrate IQ. I'm here today to share how and why our RealGreen customers are connecting RealGreen with HubSpot. I'll address the benefits and realities of the integration in this video. If you're running a lawn care or pest control business using both RealGreen and HubSpot, you probably already know what it feels like to have your customer data split across two systems. Your operations team lives in RealGreen, your marketing and sales team lives in HubSpot. And somewhere in the middle, information gets lost, re-entered, or just forgotten. That's the problem the integration is built to fix. RealGreen manages your operations, scheduling, routing, service history, billing, and the day-to-day work of running your field teams. HubSpot manages your customer relationships, marketing, sales, and how you communicate with customers over time. They're both good at what they do, but when they don't talk to each other, your teams are working with incomplete information. How the integration helps you depends on how you use HubSpot. So let me cover both cases. If you use HubSpot across marketing, sales, and customer nurturing, the integration gives your team real visibility into what's happening operationally. When a sales rep is talking to a customer, they can see that customer's service history directly in HubSpot. What programs they're on, when they last had service, whether they're up for renewal. That context changes the conversation. It also means your marketing workflows can run on actual operational data. You can trigger renewal reminders based on service schedules. You can build upsell sequences based on what services a customer doesn't have yet. You can set up win-back campaigns for customers who canceled. All of that runs automatically because HubSpot now knows what's happening in RealGreen. If you use HubSpot primarily for sales and marketing communications, the core benefit is simpler, but just as important. You need to know who's already a customer and who's still a prospect. Without the integration, your marketing team often doesn't know when a deal closes and a new customer gets created in RealGreen. That means you can end up sending acquisition emails to people who are already paying customers. With the integration, the moment someone becomes a customer in RealGreen, HubSpot knows. Your lists stay accurate, your communications stay relevant, and your team stops wasting time managing two sets of records. The goal of the integration is to give your teams one clear picture of each customer, regardless of which system they're working in. Operations knows what sales has said, marketing knows what operations has done, and your customers feel the difference. If you want to talk through how this could work for your business, reach out. It usually makes sense to start with a short discovery conversation.